Hey guys, Wild Beast here, and today I'm going to teach you a skateboard trick called the kickflip. Before you guys get onto the kickflip, there are some basic tricks you should learn before the kickflip. For example, the ollie, and then the backside 180, the frontside 180, and then the pop shove it. And then you can move on to the kickflip. Because once you do those basic tricks, you can get your kickflips down very fast, you know? You could go from the ollie to the kickflip. I'm just saying that without learning any of those basic tricks, just going into the ollie to the kickflip, it's just going to take you more time, you know? So I suggest doing the basic tricks first. I will have a link in the description for the basic tricks that come before the kickflip. The first link would be the how to ollie video, and then the second link would be the how to frontside 180, and then the third link would be how to backside 180, and then the last one is the pop shove it video. So they're all on my channel. So literally, you guys, you could just all those tricks are on my channel. So yeah, they'll be in the link in the description if you want to learn those basic tricks to move on to the kickflip. Alright guys, enough talking. Let's just get straight on to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first step for the kickflip is your foot positioning. So you want your front foot curved in a 45-degree angle just behind the front bolts, and your back foot on the tail with the ball of your toe so that you can get enough power to pop. So now that you know your foot positioning, the next step is the motion of the kickflip. And the first part of that is the pop. So for the pop, it's just like the pop for the ollie, but more pressure on the tail. And right when your tail hits the ground when you pop, you want to flick your board. And this part of the kickflip is what I find the hardest. So what you want to do is that you want to flick your board with your toe and straight off of that 45-degree angle of your nose. So don't flick straight from your tail, like the side of your toes, you know what I mean? Kind of like a part of your shoe. But what you want to do is when you want to flick, and then once you get over that nose, you want to do that little doink, your ankle is now gonna be flat once you're right there. And make sure to use all of your power so that the board can flip, because you need a lot of power for the flick for your toes. So again, make sure you're not flicking with the side of your foot, kind of just like the ollie, or straight off of your toe. That's what I usually have problems with. If I went flicking straight off my toe, that's just not gonna flip all the way. But kind of the side of your toes, you know, the 45-degree angle of your shoe is the target of your shoe to flick the board. So make sure you do that. Alright, so after you've done the flick, you want to fully extend your front leg like that and make it stay like that so you can properly land the board. And also lift up your back leg so it can suck up the board easier. And yeah, pretty much that's just it for the landing. So for the timing, you pretty much want to just pop the tail first and then flick the board. Right when that tail hits the ground, that's when you want to flick. And then once your foot has flicked off of the board, that's when you want to lift up your back foot so you're above the board. And make sure you always flick out, not straight, straight up like you're kicking to the sky, straight out, you know? Alright guys, this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed, make sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and comment down below if there's any problems with your kickflips. And I'll try to give you tips on them. I'll try to reply to you if you have any problems with your kickflip. This is the hardest trick out of all of the tricks. This trick takes the most time out of all the other tricks. Seriously, this took me like 3 months or more than that actually to learn. But if you guys haven't checked out I landed the perfect kickflip video, go ahead and check that out. That's when I landed my first kickflip. It felt really good when I landed it. But I hope you guys are having a great 2019. It's going great for me so far. Anyway, guys, I will see you in the next video. Peace.